All right, so you've made it to level 14. This week we will focus on the concept of stewardship, and we'll explore that concept throughout the week. Let's begin by looking at our objectives for this week, and we have three. The first is that you'll identify your own personal core values, and this is really valuable not just for environmental studies, but for really any subject. The second objective, understand the difference between various environmental perspectives, and those can include, or do include, environmental worldviews, environmental philosophies, and environmental attitudes, and we'll explore the difference between different perspectives within each of those. Then you guys will actually, throughout the week, you'll be working to create a personal stewardship plan aligned to your values and perspectives. So let's get down into the meat of the work. You'll begin by watching this Navy stewardship video, and it basically presents how the Navy currently works to limit their impact on the environment. Watch that and then answer these two questions in the discussion board. From there, you will, first of all, it describes here that you'll be working to develop your personal stewardship plan this week. Go ahead and make sure you open up this template so that you can kind of see what you're going to be working on, and also so that you can become aware of the fact that for each assignment you'll be creating content that you'll then put into this slideshow so that at the end you have a complete personal stewardship plan. Then the first step in filling that in is to develop your core values, and there's a worksheet here. Just go through and follow each step, and at the end what you'll have are 5 core values in order of importance, and then these can be kind of your guiding principles when you're making decisions, not just in this class but anytime. Once you've gone ahead and completed that, then you can move on to where you'll have you'll have 3 different slideshows on 3 different pages on worldviews, philosophies, and attitudes. Go through these, and there's really interesting differences between all of these different perspectives. And then make sure that as you're looking through these, you're thinking about which ones you identify with most, because you will add that information to your personal stewardship plan. And then at the bottom there is a poll. Go ahead and complete that. So it's going to look pretty similar for all the worldviews, philosophies, and attitudes. Similar work. Look for the one you most identify with and take the poll. And then here is attitudes. And then the last big part of developing your plan is to develop action steps. And this is where you outline what can you do to achieve your objectives within your stewardship plan. And it does have a document here where you can outline what those action steps are going to be. You'll have your objectives, 3 changes you'd like to see in the environment or how we deal with animals or other humans, tasks that you need to do in order to accomplish those. Success criteria describes how you can measure whether you've been successful. And then local resources. How can you engage with organizations or people in your area? So that's all detailed here. There's links here that you can use. Now and then once you do that, you will then add these action steps to your personal stewardship plan. By then you will have completed this plan, and let me just move this over here. Oops. So that you can see there all the pages are already there for you. You just need to fill them in as you develop that content. So each assignment is here. All right. So then once you've created it, then you're going to create a screencast of yourself going through that plan and presenting it similar to what I'm doing now. And then you will upload that to the discussion and then comment on each other's plans. And that's it for the personal stewardship plan. The last thing is the optional extra credit, where you can talk about how we could have done things differently as a country regarding stewardship. That's level 14. Please, as always, email, call, text when you need help. I'm here to help you through this, and I'm interested to see what you guys come up with this week.